Hello everyone, welcome back. You have to tie the hairs on the top and then divide them into two parts. Put the hair clip like this to fix it aside. Now take the hairs and then make the plaits on it by taking the hairs from the sides and the very small sections. Join them one by one as shown in the video. Tie the hairs properly as we are tying it. Join them in the lining as we are tying. Now follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. We will tie the plaits and join them together at the back and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, make a ponytail, divide the hairs and then roll it like this. So first, you have to divide the hairs into two parts. Now take small section out of it and then roll it around the hairs as shown in the video. Now after rolling it, join some more section of the hairs into it and again tie it from the other side. So watch these steps very carefully how we are tying the hairs. Roll it out and then take it in the between and again follow the same step. Take it till the end in the same manner, tie it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. You can use the rubber bands to fix it at the end. You can get some designer bands at the market, tie them and fix it till the end and it will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to take the hairs on the top like this, tie them and then using the rubber band fix the hairs into each other after tying them. Fix the hairs into each other like this. After that, you can take the hairs from the sides again in the small sections, tie them on the back and then rotate the hairs and fix them into each other in the same manner as shown in the video. Fix the hairs properly. Pull out the hairs from the sides little bit as we have done in this video. Pull it out like this. Pull out the hairs carefully for the other side. Now take all the hairs and make the plaits on it to join all the hairs together. Fix it properly as shown in the video till the end. Now you can pull out the hairs from the sides little bit as shown in the video. Pull it very carefully. Now you can fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it tightly using the bun pen like this. Fix it and your bun is ready. Don't forget to put some designer clips too on the hairs and it's done. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits on it like this. Make the plaits very carefully as shown in the video on the very small section like this. After that, take it till the back slowly. Now we will follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. Join it like this one by one by taking small sections and take it till the back and join them to make the plaits. Fold it one by one as shown in the video. Fix the hairs carefully as we are making. Tie them. Fix it till the end. Tie it using the rubber band and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail and then fold it upward and put the hair clutch. Now tie the hairs on the top from the between. Fold it down and fix the hairs as shown in the video to make a bun. Fix the hairs by pushing it like this and fix the hairs inside. Tie it from the top and put the bun pin and your bun is ready. Thanks for watching our video.